Hello friends, welcome back. So today we are going to discuss a monopoly stock from the financial sector. So we will do the detailed analysis of the company and discuss the fundamentals and the business model of the company. Also, we will do the financial analysis and the technical analysis of the company to see how much potential is available in this monopoly stock. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel so that it will help us to build big community and you will get regular update on value buying opportunity and you will learn how to do a detailed analysis of any company and how to identify those value buying opportunity in the stock market. So let's start our discussion. Let me share my screen. So today we are going to discuss CAMS, that is Computer Age Management Service Limited. Now, if we talk about the business of CAMS, so it is a registrar and transfer agent, that is RTA, for mutual fund houses, and it is a technology-driven financial infrastructure and service provider to mutual funds and other financial institutes. So this other financial institute is nothing but the insurance industry and the banking industry. So they are available in the whole supply chain of financial institute, and they are providing the technology-driven financial infrastructure, and they are keeping their financial records and providing different financial services to these industries. CAMS is the largest registrar and transfer agent for mutual fund, and it has a market share of 69%. CAMS has approx 272 service center pan India. So again, their market reach is very high, and it is currently present in 25 states and 5 union territories. This is the annual report of CAMS for FY21. So these are the key business highlights they have mentioned in their annual report. Let me read it out for you. So they have raised 2,250 crores through an IPO, and they have listed in the BSE on October 1st, 2020. So recently their IPO has came, and they have listed on BSE at the price of 1518 per share. In addition to that, company has raised around 600 crore from 35 anchor investors ahead of their IPO listing in the stock market. And also CAMS had made its debut on the NSE, that is the another stock exchange platform, on May 7, 2021. So on BSE they have listed on October 1st, and on NSE they have listed on May 7, 2021. And at that time the stock was trading at 2219 per share. As far as the business is concerned, as I already mentioned, CAMS is catering to multiple financial sectors. One of the major sector is asset management company. So CAMS serviced, that is for asset management, touched the historic high of rupees 22 trillion, and their market share is approximate 69% as far as the Indian mutual fund industry is concerned. As their market share is used, it is close to 69% as far as Indian mutual fund industry is concerned. This is one of the monopoly company. Under asset management company, CAMS is catering to all the top 5 asset management company in India, and because of that only they are consistently increasing the market share, because their growth is directly linked with the growth of these 5 asset management. In addition to providing the services to Indian mutual fund houses, they have recently added NPS in their portfolio. So they have awarded a central record keeping agency for NPS industry by PFRDA, and the platform is already launched in Q3 FY22. So now they will be providing the service to NPS and act as a central record keeping agency for them. Now, if we talk about the financial highlights of FY21, so revenue stands at 7,055 million, that is equivalent to 705 crore, and PBT stands at 2,745 million, that is equivalent to 274 crore. So on year PBT has grown by 11.2%. And as far as PAT is concerned, it stands at 205 crore and up by 19.4% year on year. Operating profit stands at 38.7%. So that is a huge operating profit, and they are consistently improving their operating profit in recent quarter. And as far as ROCE is concerned, it stands at 39.8%. Company has a strong financial and strong ROCE. Now, as far as the credential is concerned, CAMS is handling 22 trillion rupees of asset under management under its portfolio, and they have consistently increased this transaction over the period of last 5 years, because they are catering to top 5 asset management company in India. So in the right hand side, if you see, the company has grown its market share from approximately 61% in March 2015 to approximately 69% in March 2021. So they are consistently growing and increasing their market share. These are few of the other credentials. So transaction volume stands at 32 crore, SIP book stands at 2.15 crore, and SIP transaction in FY21 stands at 23 crore, and live investor portfolio stands at 4 crore. So although the penetration level of Indian mutual fund houses and the insurance sector is very low, going forward, there is a direct growth potential available in CAMS as the insurance sector and the asset management company will grow with the increment of per capita income. This company will automatically grow with those industry. So we have did the fundamental analysis of the company. Now let's do the financial analysis of the company and see how company has performed in last few quarters. So this is the financials of company. So CAMS has market capitalization of 11,533 crore, and if you can see the ROCE, it stands at 57.7%. So that is a huge ROCE. Debt to equity ratio is 0. So they are debt free company, and the profit of previous 12 months stands at 277 crore. And as far as the sales growth of last 5 years is concerned, it stands at 8.82 crore, and the profit stands at 20.6 crore. That is a healthy profit they have shown in the last 5 years. Now, as far as the quarterly result is concerned, so they have shown the consistent growth as far as the revenue and the net profit is concerned. So in September 2019, the revenue was 164 crore and currently stands at 227 crore as on December 2021. So which is a highest ever net revenue which they have posted. Now, as far as net profit is concerned, again, the company has shown the consistent growth, and currently the net profit stands at 72 crore as on December 2021. As in last 2 years, the number of investors in the stock market has increased. So that is again the reflection in their financials. So in March 2020, the net profit was only 40 crore, and they have consistently improved their net profit in the last 2 years and currently stands at 72 crore. Now, as far as the profit and loss is concerned, so in March 2011, the sales was 318 crore, and currently they have posted the highest ever revenue, that is 674 crore as on March 2021, and the trailing 12-month revenue is 823 crore. The next important parameter is the operating profit. So they have consistently improved the operating profit, and in last 2 years, if you can see, their operating profit has increased from 30% to 39% and 40%. Now, as far as net profit is concerned, again they have shown the consistent growth. In March 2011, the net profit was only 59 crore, and the trailing 12 month of net profit stands at 274 crore. So again, they have multifold their revenue and net profit in the last 8-9 years. Now, as far as the cash flow is concerned, whatever the net profit they are making, they are getting the cash from the businesses. And as far as the shareholding pattern is concerned, the promoter holds 23.75% as on December 2021. FII holds 30.43%, DII holds 13.25%, and public holds 32.57%. So again, in recent past, we have seen the FII sellings in the stock market, but in the case of CAMS, they have increased their shareholding in the last few quarters. So in last few quarters, DII has decreased their shareholding, but FII has increased their shareholding. So that is again a good sign. Now, as far as the public shareholding is concerned, it is not 32.57%. So under public also, these are the DIIs only or the HNIs. So if we can add these, so 6 plus 3, that is 9, 9 plus 2, 11, and 12. So 32 minus 12, so public holds only 20% of shareholding in CAMS. So again, public has a less shareholding as compared to other strong hands. So that is a good sign as far as the overall shareholding is concerned. So we have seen that the financials of the company is very strong. They have shown a consistent growth in last 4 quarters. Although they have shown the consistent growth in financials, and although the fundamentals are great, company and the stock prices has corrected by huge percentage in recent past. So let's analyze the technical analysis and see how much potential is available in CAMS. So this is a chart of CAMS, and we have seen the company is listed in BSE and NSE in recent past. So after listing on 5th October 2020, company has shown a great rally and it has posted the all-time high of price level 4062, and within 1 year it has given the return of 188%. So company has posted the all-time price level of 4062, and from all-time high price level the company has corrected by huge percentage. So if you can see, the company has corrected by almost 45% in recent past. We have seen the fundamentals and the financials of the company is great, but still the company has corrected by huge percentage because of the different events in the recent past. So the reason for this correction, we already know. There is a negative sentiments in the market because of the Russian-Ukraine war, which is happening recently. And also there is a recent corrections in last 2-3 months in the overall stock market, and different fundamental great company has corrected by huge percentage. These market correction always gives us the opportunity to identify fundamental great companies which has a great financials and the fundamentals and the future growth prospect. And this is one of the company which we can consider for long-term investment because this has shown a huge correction recent past. As far as the chart pattern is concerned, there is no such chart pattern in CAMS. CAMS is already there in my portfolio, and I have invested some money on 29 September 2021. So the green arrow which you can see here, I have made my investment, and because the company has shown a huge correction after that too, if we can take the 29 September price level, and after that also if you can see the stock prices has corrected by almost 24%. So because of this correction only, I have increased my position in CAMS and I have invested some more money on 25th of February. So this is where I have done my second investment. So if we can take the current price level up to the all-time price level of 4062, there is a direct potential available of 73%. This is one of the opportunity. If as an investor you have missed the chance of investing during the IPO, this is the opportunity to invest in CAMS because it is available at a good valuation and currently available at a price level of 235, and CAMS was trading at the same price level 1 year back. So again, this is a good opportunity. So as I mentioned, I have increased my position in CAMS, but again, this is not a buying or selling recommendation. Kindly do your due diligence and consult your financial advisor before investing in stock market. Here I am trying to tell you how to identify these fundamental strong companies. As we have seen in the case of CAMS, the financials are very great, and as CAMS is catering to multiple financial sectors like mutual fund houses, insurance sector, and banking sector, the growth of CAMS has a direct correlation with the growth of those financial sectors. So in next 5-10 years, when the penetration level of mutual fund houses, the insurance sector will increase, and when the per capita income of Indian population will increase, there is a direct potential for CAMS to grow and multifold in terms of revenue and net profit. And because of these reasons, I am an investor in CAMS, and the 73% target is a short-term target for 1-2 years, but we can consider CAMS for a long-term investment also, and it is currently available at a very good valuation. So I hope you have liked this video, and I will see you in next video. Thank you.